I'm Nigel Saunders, CEO of SureChill. Scientists around the world are working frantically to develop a vaccine in response to COVID-19. Billions of doses will be needed, but how do you reach the 7 billion world population in every part of the world and ensure, no matter what, that the vaccine is delivered in perfect condition? Universal vaccination is a challenge due to the lack of robust cold chains that keep a vaccine cold from point of manufacture to the patient. The failure in the cold chain mainly occurs at the end of that chain, at the vaccination sites after the healthcare centres. Mobile outreach is currently delivered through cool boxes and ice packs, but unfortunately have very poor temperature control. The World Health Organization has previously reported that at this point of the cold chain, they've seen losses of 25 to 50% of the vaccine shipments. This has often occurred due to being exposed to warm or very cold temperatures, simply destroying the potency of the vaccine. At this point of the cold chain, there's also limited data visibility, real-time monitoring capability of the vaccines. In Africa and South Asia, the majority of the population live in rural areas. COVID-19 mass vaccination will need to be shaped around outreach sessions. Mass rapid vaccination using current solutions will be extremely challenging. But equally, a prolonged period of strict measurements to halt the spread of COVID-19 will result in economic hardship, poverty, and hunger. Rapid vaccination of COVID-19 is the only solution. But without a reliable mobile cooling in the last mile transit, there is severe likelihood many vaccines will be wasted. There's also a key gender issue, which makes outreach essential for COVID-19 immunization. In some parts of the world, women are unable to visit a clinic due to their other commitments. Today, SureChill technology is used in medical refrigerators in some 49 countries. These are used by ministries of health, hospitals and health centres to keep their vaccines and other life-saving supplies perfectly chilled. Even in locations plagued by power cuts and high temperatures, the SureChill technology protects the vital supplies. With the support from Barclays and Unreasonable Group, we at SureChill are developing the world's first portable cooler using SureChill technology to give health workers the ability to keep vaccines perfectly chilled on the move and ensure it stays perfectly chilled for days, even in high ambient temperatures. The device we're developing can be recharged in a vehicle or from solar for longer delivery locations, but importantly does not use a battery or any harmful chemicals. Finally, it will have a software part which will actually provide a service with real-time monitoring and capability that can be monitored from any part of the world. In short, this project is a means of critically extending the reach of mass vaccination efforts to the hardest to reach and underserved communities. Looking forward, while COVID-19 is potentially an outlier, we're likely to see an increase in shocks, natural disasters and epidemics, which require a rethink of emergency humanitarian logistics in a warming planet. Temperature-stable outreach cooling will be a key component, and this is the role for SureChill. Thank you.